All right, so today we're going to be talking about installing Python, and we are here at python.org. All we need to do is click on the download button, and we can select which version we want. Latest version for Windows 3.91, or whenever you're installing it, of course, this will be updated. There are options to install it on Linux, and Mac, and other operating systems as well. So we click on this, we have our installation window pop up, and we can click install now. To start Python, all we need to do, go to Random Search, find our application, Python 3.9 64-bit, and it pops open this little Python window for you here. And there you are, Python is installed and working on your computers.